Hi guys, and welcome to the workshop. In today's video we're going to be making a jig, in fact this jig, which enables me to make multiple credit card or gift card wallets. This one I've made out of French walnut and it can accept one card. As you can see there, it looks quite nice. I made this one out of oak and this one's designed to have two cards in it. You can make them as deep as you want. You can put as many cards in as you want. All you have to do is raise the router bit up slightly, have a thicker piece of wood, and you can route it out from multiple cards. Just think it's a nice little gift. So when you give someone a gift card, which my wife planned to do for someone's birthday, just a bit nicer coming in a nice little wooden wallet. Bit of attention there, because giving a gift card can be an easy present sometimes, but it shows there was a bit of effort that went into it, because I had to make the wooden card holder. Now you could say it's a waste because they're going to get thrown away, but I think it makes it a nicer gift. Anyway, let's crack on with the video. I hope you enjoy it. So one thing, guys, I'm thinking about doing is maybe I should do voiceovers for some of my videos. I tend in the past to talk and explain during the video what I'm doing, but sometimes I forget what I'm saying. I don't plan it. Maybe I should start to do voiceovers, because when I'm editing I can just talk over it and explain quickly what I'm doing rather than you hear the noise of the machines. I can fade that out and you can hear my voice. Let me know what you think. Should I do voiceovers? And if you do think I should do voiceovers, any advice on how I do them? I guess I just get a mic, plug it in my computer, talk on a separate track and then overlay it. I don't actually know. I'll have to do a bit of YouTube viewing to find out how others do it. Yeah, let me know what you think, and maybe I should do some voiceovers. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and if you comment, I'll be sure to answer. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.